When the grid fails and society collapses,
You won't be thinking about your laundry. You'll be thinking about,
ammo retention.
and that's why I built a Slingshot catchbox out of a washing machine. Let's get into it. Let's say it's the end of the world. No power, no bullets, no Amazon Prime! But you've got a slingshot and a handful of balls that you do not want to lose. Enter Mr. Samsung. To survive, you'll need an old washing machine, canvas or painter's cloth, scavenger screws or clamps, a few metal rods or wood. You'll need some stainless wire or paracord. Lastly, you'll need some target. Bonus points if it tings. Step 1. Attach legs. I welded mine because I have a commitment issue and I like a permanent solution. Step 2. We cut a hole in the drum. Step 2. Install a backstop, canvas, rubber sheet, grandma's shower curtain, whatever slows down now. We're also rounding off the edges here to make it float in the drum and cover the whole bottom of the drum. Behold, the Slingbox 3000. But safety first, wear your eye protection and make sure there is no children and pets in range. This baby is durable, portable, and capable of catching all your ammo. So if you're preparing for the end of days or you want to save your steel ball, this is the right catch box for you. Like and subscribe for more backyard engineering, homestead hacks, and 100% recyclable chaos.
Battle mode.